The Cuisinart grill is designed to be highly portable and compact, making it easy to transport and store. Its compact size makes it ideal for picnics, camping trips, and small outdoor spaces. As an outdoorsman, I look for different ways to cook, and having a portable grill that does not depend on a fuel source is great. This grill is built to last. With a durable coated firebox and sturdy steel cooking grate, it can withstand high temperatures and is resistant to rust and corrosion. The grill features a simple and straightforward design that makes it easy to assemble. It has adjustable air vents for precise temperature control and a dual venting system for improved heat distribution. Despite its compact size, the Cuisinart grill offers a 150 square inch chrome-plated cooking grate, providing space to cook for a small group of people. If you're looking for a grill that is versatile and allows you to have a pleasant cooking experience, the Cuisinart grill is an excellent option. I have used it for quite some time and the food tastes simply delicious.